Pero dinaputi kanta nga na Paul Juan Madjalan nga request ni Auntie Remy Mauricio.
On March 16, 1521, when Philippines was discovered by Magellan, they were sailing day and night across the big ocean until the show is Limasawa Island. Magellan landed in Limasawa at noon. The people met him very welcome on the shore. They did not understand that we can be have done, because Castilla did at waray man. When Magellan landed in Cebu City, Raha who met him, they were very happy. All people were baptized and born the Church of Christ, and that's the beginning our Catholic life. When Magellan visiting Mactan to Christianize them everyone, but Lapu-Lapu met him on the shore and drive Magellan to go back home. And the battles got so mad, ordered his men to come a flood. Mactan Island we call Nagrag, cause Lapu-Lapu is very hard. And the battles got it down, Bolas and spear versus gun and cannon. When Magellan was on his feet, he stumbled down